Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will show you how to disable push notifications in the Omio app on your phone. Push notifications can be distracting, and turning them off can help you focus while still using the app for travel planning. We will guide you through the process in a clear and simple way. First, open the Omio app on your smartphone. Once the app is launched, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. This will take you to your account settings. Next, in your profile menu, find and tap on the Settings option. Then, in the Settings menu, until you see Notifications and tap on it. Here, you will find two categories related to push notifications. The first category is for getting live updates about your journeys, and the second category is for receiving special offers and product updates. Finally, to disable push notifications completely, simply turn off both options by toggling the switches to the off position. Once both switches are turned off, you will no longer receive any notifications from the Omio app. Thanks for watching.